Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're exploring the serene and leafy forest to discover a charming animal. Are you ready to play? Let's get started! Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image of a bushy tail. This tail helps the animal balance and keeps it warm during the winter. Can you guess which forest animal this might be? Take a moment to think about it. Your next clue, this animal has sharp claws. These claws help it climb trees and dig for food. Does this clue help you figure out which forest animal it could be? Here's another hint. This animal is known for storing nuts. It gathers nuts and seeds to store for the winter when food is scarce. Have you guessed which animal it is yet? Here's one more clue. This animal lives in trees. It builds nests, called drays, out of twigs and leaves high up in the branches. Now, can you guess what animal this is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has a bushy tail, sharp claws, stores nuts, and lives in trees. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a squirrel, you're absolutely right! Squirrels are energetic and clever animals that make the forest their home. Great job, everyone! Did you know that squirrels have an excellent memory for locating their hidden food stores? They also have a special membrane called a patagium between their front and back legs, which helps them glide from tree to tree. Squirrels are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in forest ecology by spreading seeds. Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.